stopping by Primed for Beauty. My name is Jeannie D and I'm really glad that you're here today. Primed for Beauty is a makeup channel for people who love skincare and makeup trends. So I have something really special cooked up for you today. I'm about to unbox a very special delivery from the Beauty Bakerie Cosmetics brand. So Beauty Bakerie Cosmetics has been in business since 2011. It's a Black-owned makeup company, and the CEO is Cashmere Nicole. She's the founder and the CEO, and she's built this brand into a $5 million brand. It's cruelty-free and vegan. Before we get into unboxing this very special delivery from the Beauty Bakery, I'd like to take a moment to first thank you for subscribing and being part of the Primed for Beauty family. If you'd like to be part of the Primed for Beauty family, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below and leave a comment and give the video a thumbs up. So I just recently ordered this. It's not going to be a big haul, but I just wanted to kind of show you a little bit of some of the products I'm going to start trying, and then I'll go in for more. Who knows? Oh, is that cute? The inside of the box says, "So much cake, so little time." Look how pretty that's packed. Attention to detail. I love it. I don't know, let's just dive in. Isn't this pretty? Oh, look at, there's some, oh, look at that. That's gonna go everywhere, but it's gonna be cute. I love, you know, that's part of the fun sometimes of getting some of these unboxings, is just like how beautifully it's packed. Beautiful gold packaging. You can kind of see a little peek of what's inside right there. I'm going to go ahead and set this box down for a second, and then we'll open it up and see what we have inside here. So the Rosy Posy Metallic Lip Whip is a long-lasting, smudge-proof, waterproof. I mean, they claim it stays on your lips and not on your food. So I mean, I think that's always a good thing. Look at the box, how the box slides out. Oh, that's pretty. Rosy Posy Metallic Lip Whip. On their website, they have a couple tips to make it really last a long time. They said that it's really important that you exfoliate your lips, and then don't put more than 3 layers on, and wait about 60 to 70 seconds between layers. So this is the, isn't that pretty? Isn't that pretty? Wow, that's gorgeous. It's got the Beauty Bakery around the top there. That's really pretty. It's a pretty shade. But you know where it might even look better? On my lips. So I'm gonna test this. Oh, look at that. That's a really nice little applicator. It's nice. So I'm gonna just try this out. I have a little mirror over here. Don't worry, I'm not gonna try everything. I just want to try this. All right, so this is the Rosy Posy Metallic Lip Whip. Look at how pretty that is. Ooh. It's a little sticky, but I think it's drying down. Oh, that's pretty. Oh yeah, yeah. You can feel it drying down, and this is just one. This is just one coat. So there we go. Beauty Bakerie Rosy Posy Metallic Lip Whip. That's really pretty. So that goes in my collection. I really like that box. That's a cute little box. I'll save that. Oh wow, let's see what we have next. Let's pull something else out of the box here. Oh, cutie patootie here. What's this? Looks like a little flour sack. This is their oat flour setting powder. And this comes in 7 shades. It's $24. It's pretty. It's gold. That's pretty. That's really cute. That's cute marketing. So Cashmere, she really thought of a lot of these details. So I really appreciate that. So here's the setting powder. So I will say that this particular product was one of the first purchases I made at Ulta. Rachel told me about setting powder. I'd never really used it before, and she said that this was a really good brand, and she was right. This is actually a repurchase for me. I have used lots of different setting powders, but this one's really nice because it is finely milled, and you don't get that flashback from, like, if someone takes a photograph of you. Sometimes if you have setting powder, there's certain kinds of setting powder that will like create, like, make like your face look really white. This doesn't do that, and it does come in 7 different shades, so anywhere from, I think, this translucent to really fair to deep, and then I think there's a pink one as well, so you might want to check that out on their website too. And let's see what else. We have one more thing in this box, and it's kind of a big thing. Look at this. They didn't ship it like that. I put it like that for you. Oh, and it's nicely bubble wrapped. What might this be? You know, I don't have any eyeshadow, so maybe I had to buy some eyeshadow. So this is the Do It for the Gram palette. This is an item that's exclusive to the Beauty Bakerie website, but you can only buy this particular palette on their website. So look at that. That's really cute. All of their items are play on bakery. I saw some really cute brushes that look like a spatula. The brush on one end, and then on the other end it had like a whisk. They're really cute. They have lots of great things on their website. Check it out. Not sponsored. So this is the Do It for the Gram palette. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Wow, look at that. So there's 12 shades in here. There's some foils, there's some matte, there's some duochrome shades. This is called Do It for the Gram. What does this say here? Hashtag got MILF? Well, we'll see. I'm actually going to use this particular palette for an upcoming video that you might be interested in. So stay tuned if you want to see 5 looks from this palette. Look at this. Oh, look, what's that? Look at this color right here. What is I just can't help it. When I get a new eyeshadow, I gotta stick my finger in there. I just gotta swatch it. I'm just gonna swatch it on the back of my hand so you can see it too. Oh, that's nice. Look at that. It's kind of, that's a duochrome. Oh, that is good. Right. Oh. So let me see if there's any. What, I wonder, where's the names of these shades? So these don't have any names, so I'm just gonna call this one Awesome. That is good. So stay tuned for my next video, because it's gonna be 5 looks from this palette. The day I use that color, it's gonna be good. So that's the 3 things that I ordered this time. Had to kind of space out the spending, you know, these days. Thanks for joining me today on Prime for Beauty. I'm Jeannie D, and I'll see you here again next time. Bye.